If you are visiting the Amalfi Coast and you or someone that you're traveling with knows how to operate a boat, this is for you. I've been visiting the Amalfi Coast for 10 years, and this is probably the coolest thing I have ever found to do in the Amalfi Coast, and the most affordable. As I've said in many videos, seeing the Amalfi Coast from a boat is one of the best things to do in the Amalfi Coast. I think it's absolutely criminal to go to the Amalfi Coast without getting on a boat. There are 13 different Amalfi Coast towns. Most of them are worth seeing, and via a boat is one of the best ways to do so. Amalfi Coast boat tour costs anywhere from $100 to I'd say $1,200, depending on if it's a shared boat tour or a private boat tour. But last night I discovered that you can easily and very affordably rent your own boat in the Amalfi Coast and have your own private boat day. The first option is a 6-hour boat rental. It's available from Amalfi, Praiano, Sorrento, and a few other towns. It is only $205 for 2 people. Say it again. You can rent a boat in the Amalfi Coast for $205 for the entire day. If you have more than 2 people, the cost goes up a little bit per person. You can have up to 5 on that boat. And it has 28 5-star reviews, so it comes very highly recommended. The second option is also full day, 8 hours, and it's available from Amalfi, Positano, Praiano, or Maori. It is $345 for a group of up to 5. So if you have a group of 5, it's a little more cost efficient. This rental has 115 5-star reviews. For more info and to book your rental, you're gonna go over to my profile and click this link, ckanani.com/TikTok. Click here for a list of all the Amalfi Coast boat tours I recommend. And then you'll see a list of the rentals I recommend, followed by the Amalfi Coast guided boat tours I recommend below. Hope that helps. Make sure to like and follow for more Amalfi Coast tips.